Today's learning objective is to look at similarities and differences in B cell and T cells activation. What are T cells? T cells are a type of white blood cell that assist with protecting the body. They produce in the red bone marrow and migrate to the thymus to mature until they're ready to be sent out into the body. The first activation step is antigen recognition. This involves T cell binding to an antigen present from antigen presenting cells. These are your macrophages, B cells, and dendritic cells. The second activation step is co-stimulation. This involves cytokinase, which is a signaling molecule. Once the T cell is activated, it divides and specializes into two cells. These cells are T helper cells, which make cytokinase, and cytotoxic T cells, which kill infected cells. What are B cells? B cells are a type of white blood cell that protects the body from intruders that may be harmful to you. B cells are produced by red bone marrow. They mature in red bone marrow until they're ready to be sent out into the body. How are B cells activated? The first activation step is the receptor present on the B cell binds to the antigen. The second activation step is co-stimulation. The B cell undergoes final activation with the help of helper T cells, causing cytokinase to be secreted. Once the B cell is activated, it proliferates and differentiates itself into two types of cells: plasma cells, which produce antibodies that identify and kill foreign antigens, and memory cells that remember the shape of antigen after reinfection. Their memory cells can immediately change into plasma cells. B and T cells have similar activation. First, they have to bind to your antigen, and second, they have to have co-stimulation. However, they give rise to different cell populations. B cells give rise to plasma cells, and T cells give rise to cytotoxic and helper T cells. A similarity is that they both are made in the bone marrow. However, the T cell migrates and develops and matures in the thymus, while the B cell remains in the bone marrow to mature. Another similarity is that they both defend the body from antigens, example, bacteria and viruses. But B cells are better able to fight bacteria because it's extracellular, versus T cells, which are better able to fight viruses because it's intracellular. This is because antibodies made from B plasma cells need surface antigens, unlike cytotoxic T cells, which can kill cells independent of surface antigens.
Created using Powtoon.